Okay, to schedule a class, to reserve a spot in a class, these are only necessary for in person classes. For Zoom classes, you do not need to do anything. Uh, we are going to start by clicking on class schedule up the big red square here, or rectangle. And as you can see, it says it's a bit empty here. That's because I haven't scheduled any classes. I'm going to tap the red plus button at the side. It says you have 3 more bookings left. You're limited to how many classes you can book in advance, just to make sure that somebody doesn't book a whole lot and there's not enough space for anyone else. Most likely, this will be 2 or 3 classes in advance. And I'm going to pick the date, so I'm going to pick Saturday the 4th. Now remember, there's no actual class because it's the 4th of July, but I'm using this as an example. And let's go for the 10:30 a.m. basic in-person class. It says available, which means there are still spots in that class. I'm going to click on the little I here for info. Tells you a little bit about the class, and then I'm going to click join. It asks me if you're sure you want to join the class. Click yes, and you are confirmed. Click done, and now your class is here. The only thing is, you can check in when you're at the school. The app knows. The app knows when you're here. And the only thing I ask, if you're not going to make a class that you schedule, please go ahead and unreserve it just by clicking on that little X there. So this way the spot can open for somebody else. Clicking on the menu on top, again, dashboard takes you to the home screen.